Menteri rang ba kajalla konrat ke sangma haringkat ka Jngoh lang Jong Menteri katangat PHE Umar Kuismarak barkiwe ki officer na kitanat bapher kilale Jngoh aya ka Jaka sedang Jong ko ka badan ha doreng ki kre ha ka baide bat ka face ka beningkong Jong ka Williamnagar Urban Water Supply Scheme hadin ka jinglet Jngoh aya ka ni ka Jaka Menteri rang ba kajalla uladan jingkerman ba anla ban pendap kham kroy ya ka ni ka project namar ka jingtre klaya chakhamat bat la jandap artat Shu lo ongru baka Williamnagar kan sayo paho ya ke umbam umdi hadu Leit sapo senam bansawan.
So we have come along with the PHE Minister and our Commissioner Secretary, CE and other officials of the PHE department to review and to visit the site of the Williamnagar Urban Water Supply Scheme, first phase. And as you can see, the project is in very advanced stage and all the different components, construction is going on. And we expect this to be completed very soon. And after that, we are also expecting and working hard to get the sanction for the second phase so that the entire project can be completed and people in Williamnagar town can get sufficient water. This will be providing about 15 MLD, that's million liters per day, with the provision to expand after 15 years, 20 years if it's required up to 20 million liters a day. So we are hopeful that this should be able to take care of the water needs for at least the next 30 to 40 years for Williamnagar. So it's a very long-term plan and we're very happy to see the work progress and must congratulate the Honourable Minister, who is also the local MLA, as well as the entire team of PHE led by the CE for the wonderful work that they're doing.